Hey everybody, it's Clint Arthur and welcome to the Celebrity Launchpad. This is where the action is going to happen here at Aria Resort. And tonight we're going to be beginning in a little while with a cocktail party here in the suite. There's the beautiful and talented Allison. Say hello, Allison.
Hello. Hello and welcome to Celebrity.
Oh, try it again.
Hello and welcome to Celebrity.
Little backlit because we got the setting sun out there, setting over Las Vegas. And we're going to be having the future Magic Messengers into the suite to hang out with us, have a little cocktail reception, meet and greet. This is a 100% fun and social experience with everybody getting to know each other, everybody becoming a celebrity together. And this is the boardroom. This is where all the action is going to happen. Tomorrow I'm going to be training everybody in my mathematical formula of how to get booked on TV anytime you want. We have a nice audio-visual hookup down there at the end. And then on Saturday, there's going to be a chair over there where that computer is. That's going to be the celebrity seat. And when people sit in that chair, they will become celebrities. And it's going to happen, boom, like that for every single person who shows up here at the Celebrity Launchpad. The action starts at 9 a.m. on Friday morning, and the pitching happens on Saturday and Sunday. And, man, we've got another one scheduled for July 12th, 13th, and 14th. So if you want to get a piece of this, go to GuaranteedCelebrity.com, www.GuaranteedCelebrity.com. You can read all about it. And you can see if you should be here. Hey, if you think it's going to be right for you, apply. It costs nothing for you to apply. You and I will have a one-on-one phone conversation, and I'll make sure that you don't have spinning eyes, as Mike Koenig likes to say, that you pass the spinning eye test, and you'll make sure that this is the right thing for you. But you should know, if you come here, you're going on television. I guarantee it. Or your money back plus $500. It's the most outrageous guarantee in the entire PR media training industry. And I do it because I believe in the people that I bring here, and I know that I'm looking forward to seeing you on television. So go to GuaranteedCelebrity.com and apply if it feels right, and I'll look forward to having you join me here in the boardroom in July or August. Okay, everybody, I'll see you in the next video. I'm going to be making updates as we go through the weekend, and I'm going to have some of the Magic Messengers joining me on these videos to give you a feel of what it's like to be here at the Celebrity Launchpad. So until then, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.